It's the largest RV presence in the history of Shaw RV at the NC State Fairgrounds. More than 60 unique floor plans to see this weekend, February 19 and 20. It is the place to be.
We are campers. We've been camping since 2007. We've gone through the number of campers, to pop up all the way to now we have a fifth wheel.
And we just like camping shows.
Yeah.
We like to see what's new, just like this.
Yeah.
We like to see the new products, get a feel for what we might like if we decide to ever upgrade.
Benefits of a residential fridge without having to run the battery through an inverter, which is less efficient.
The Galentines were in today from Rocky Mount. Samantha is a traveling nurse. The couple has looked literally for months from Georgia to Virginia. Today at Shaw RV, they found the right fit.
That was the biggest thing. We had a bigger living space, the rear kitchen, so that we have more space to move around and be mobile, and it has a king-size bed.
There you go.
The show continues tomorrow, Saturday the 19th, from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. and Sunday 11 to 5. Come out and let Shaw RV get you to the great outdoors. Shaw RV, the home of real family fun.